show in America hits the beach. Fill up on some coffee, top off the octane, and head on down.
This is over the top. I love it.
This thing looks amazing.
It's the original SUV. I just removed all the ugly.
This is super duper clean. Got a supercharger. Oh my goodness. Skip, is this beautiful? The beach and cars?
Fantastic.
Look at the view.
I tell you, I
Look at
love it.
Look at the ocean.
Look at this.
You believe that? Can you believe that? Look at this day, huh? What?
Why
are
you?
Why are you laughing at me?
Always
This is the
Brian,
beach.
What is
What are you
this?
wearing? You're like wearing
It's
black
7 o'clock
and
in the morning.
jackets
It's a
and
little chilly.
You know, I thought the sun was bright.
you know. Hey, you may know how to race. I know how to go to the beach.
Listen, I'm just happy to be here with all these great cars. You see all those cars that were rolling in yesterday?
Oh, there's some great stuff. And I met a gentleman yesterday and his son, that the son got the father into cars.
We got this 1948 Pilot House.
He bought this one, and then I bought 2 more of these. So we're gaining a collection while we're bonding.
So usually the dad introduces the cars. Now it's the son introduces to me.
What a great, great family.
Well, listen, we got a lot to look at today. Let's go check
See
out
some
some cars.
Hey, by the way, I know a store. I can hook you
For
up.
that?
Yeah.
You can keep that.
Yeah.
That's all you, buddy. I smell speed. Man, this right here is a whole nother level. 68,
69.
69 Camaro. Is this Z28?
It was originally Z28.
Oh, Z20. So wait, was this a matching numbers one too?
No, it wasn't. It was already, when I bought it, it was already tubbed and had a,
Okay, so
like
you
a
can't
mini
take
roll bar in
you
it.
can't take full
No,
responsibility
I
for
didn't
tearing
match
apart
it.
a.
Nope, it wasn't me.
This is incredible, dude. Look at this. I'm gonna tell you, the first thing that called me was the blower. Goodness gracious. What we got here?
Yeah, 604 Donovan.
604 with a blower. How much horsepower?
It's about 1,600 horsepower.
16 what?
1,600.
And you could drive this on the street?
Yep. Drove it over from the motel yesterday. Now, it's got about an 8-mile range because it only holds 8 gallons of gas.
Yeah, well, we don't give a damn about that. Look at the interior. This is magic. Look at the roll cage.
That's out of Shepherd's race car. Shepherd race car built the tube chassis in it.
We got a parachute and everything, fuel cell, wheelie bars. You ain't pulling up with a Chihuahua. You got a full-grown pit bull
right.
here. Oh my God. This is crazy. Woo! Yes, sir. What y'all think? It's a crazy car, right? Only a caffeine and octane.